Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Bhutan. So let's get started. So here I will just go to Google and I will directly search for here for the top business bank list in Bhutan. Okay, so here we have list of banks in Bhutan. Okay, at here. So the first bank is our Bank of Bhutan. Then we have Bhutan National Bank. Then we have the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan, then other. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in your Bank of Bhutan. Okay, so we'll go to their website. So this is their website. It's called as Bank of Bhutan. So here to open a business bank account, you will directly click on business. Then we have their deposit loan card gateway and ethics. So I will directly, like, to open a bank account you have to go to their branch. Okay, so they does not open your account like from online. Okay, so to find their branch you will directly scroll down, and for here we directly have a contact us. Okay, so we directly all contact us. So this is their branch. Okay, and directly click on find branch. Okay, so their branches are here, you can see. So you can directly search for your place, like for example I'm going with this as your Gasa. Okay, I will directly search for Gasa. So Gasa branch is this. So you have to go to your like branch, this branch. Okay, and you can just verify your business and you can open it. You can just zoom also. So this is your bank. Okay, bank branch. So you can just directly open your business bank account from here. So the basic detail will be, the basic requirement will be, you should be at least 18 years old and you should have a clear identity, business papers and other proof of documents will be required for the Bhutan. So this is how to open a business bank account in your Bhutan. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.